Hey guys, welcome back to another episode today of Unboxed, the series where we talk about new sneakers, new clothing, and everything else in between. Maybe a bit of history about the shoes or anything else we'd like to discuss. Anyway guys, stay tuned into the episode, see what happens. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Unboxed today, and today we're going to be taking a look at one of the newest things that just came out from EB Games and from the artist, the man himself, Bosslogic. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Falcon and Winter Soldier artist collection. I've gotten myself the poster and I've gotten myself the blanket from this collection. There was another t-shirt design, but I didn't want to get the t-shirt design because I thought these two were the most convincing to me and the most appealing. I picked these up at my local EB Games. You're able to as well by heading to their website. No, I'm not promoting them by doing this. This is just me showcasing what I got from the collection to show to you guys in this unbox series. Anyways, let's get unboxing, eh? So the first one was the poster. So as you can see, they put Bosslogic on the side. And all of these are numbered out of 750 in each collection. So in the poster, in the blanket, and in the t-shirt, they've all got a number to them. So as you can see, that is the poster right there, guys. Obviously, you have a closer look up at it. It's looking, wow, like very nice. You've got the gold design at the top in Marvel and Artist Collection. Then you've got the poster design of what looks like the middle. It is signed by Bosslogic as well. So I've got myself the Marvel Artist Collection 708 out of 750. That's very cool. As you can see, Zing and EB Games partnership with it. And yeah, I say let's get straight crack-a-lacking into it, huh? No, nothing else. Putting that to the side, here is the poster. Damn, that's big. Okay, wow. Wowzers. Okay, don't want to try and break this already, just after opening it. Damn, that's crazy. Wow, that's really nice. It's a big design poster, so I'm trying not to, really pull it up because I can already see it's probably going to break. But, damn, give me some. I'm just going to try and do this. I don't know if you guys can see that right there, but that's what the poster looks like so far. Wow, that is sick as. I'm loving this so much right now. I have actually been a big fan of Bosslogic ever since I first found out about him in 2013. My first post I've ever seen him do was I think it was like something to do with DC. Yeah, he did something in DC, and then I was just like, yo, that's sick. That's fucking sick. And then, yeah, no, ever since then, his art has always inspired me to look more into it. And I've just never been able to get a Bosslogic poster. I've just never had the time or ever had the chance. But this is going straight up on the poster wall, so you will see me, pull that up. And if you don't follow me on the Twitter, that's where you'll be able to see me take a photo of it. Anyway, guys, that was the poster. Heading straight into the blanket. So just going to open it out of the package. And as well, the blankets are also numbered as well. So they come in their own little plastic. Open to the side. And as well, you'll be able to see that it does come with its Marvel Artist Collection as well. The number is on the blanket actually, so I won't be able to know until I grab that. So just going to be opening this one now. It's got a bit of a sticky lid to it. Oh, there we go. Okie dokie. Now let's open this. It's got a nice felt material, so it's how do I explain it? It's a very nice design. It's like one of those ones where it's just a great material. I don't know how to explain it. I think, and I got number 360, 360 no scope out of 750. I like that. I like that number. That's cool. That's pretty sick actually. Alright, so basically the design of it is the way it went on the t-shirt to the poster to the blanket. It's pretty much the same design. It's just different ways you're able to look at it and be able to see it. Shows you as you can see, that is the blanket. It is a bit big, so I don't think you're able to see the full thing. Obviously, right now you'll be able to see it on screen what it does look like full. But wow, that is big. Yeah, no, I'm liking this. I think that's pretty sick. But yeah, what's different that you're able to notice from the poster to the blanket is the blanket actually tells you what number you have. So right there, 360 out of 750 on screen, you'll be able to see. Comes with the logo on the side, Marvel Studios on the top. Still has the Bosslogic signed signature as well. So just on the side towards the Disney Plus. If you haven't already seen the Falcon Winter Soldier, it is released on Disney Plus as well. Very recommended for the Marvel series. So if you're looking for something to watch and you don't have anything to watch right now, I highly recommend this. It's very spy. It's basically a Winter Soldier kind of feel from Captain America. So if you did like that movie, you'll definitely like the Falcon and Winter Soldier. I personally love the Falcon and Winter Soldier, especially the last episode. It did have a bit of a slow start at the beginning, but more towards the end, you're able to see the character development, the build up, and everything else with it. Especially like every single episode that has a last scene, you're like, what the F? Like what the Falcon? But anyway, apart from that, that was really cool. I like the post. I love the blanket. I love the poster as well. Just trying to see if they have the number as well on this, because that would be pretty cool. And it does not. So that's okay. That's absolutely fine. That's no biggie whatsoever. But yeah, at least it tells me on the thing what number I got. I'm pretty sure through memory I'll be able to remember saying, yes, I got that number. But apart from that, guys, that was the unboxing today of the poster for the Falcon and Winter Soldier and the blanket. I'm just going to put them right here. If you did enjoy stuff like that, guys, don't forget to, comment down below what other things you'd like to see me unbox. I'd be more than welcome to do it. I really appreciate everyone who has joined the YouTube channel as well by this far. We have reached a certain amount of numbers, which has increasingly really made me happy. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to the channel. It always, supports us and makes us feel very generous for everything you guys already do. And I don't thank you enough, but I really do appreciate it. But yeah, don't forget, next Tuesday there'll be another unboxed video coming to you guys very shortly. As per usual, this week, actually, this video is being released on my birthday week, so I was very excited to get this to you guys, so you're able to see me, enjoy me on this journey. But yeah, guys, I will be doing more trailer reactions, more movie reactions. Don't forget, tomorrow on Wednesday is the Spider-Man 2 film review. So I have already seen the film yesterday. So I basically watched it yesterday on Monday, and I'll basically be reviewing it today, and then showcasing it to you guys tomorrow, which you'll be able to see on my channel. Don't forget to go watch that. I have already reviewed Spider-Man 1, but it's basically just a lead up into Spider-Man No Way Home, so you're able to see all my thoughts and discussions of what I think about the film and its process into becoming, what it is today. Apart from that, guys, yeah, that's the usual. I hope you have a great day tonight. Peace.